now.
I don't think I'm going to get through it, you know.
Like dive in like a snake, like, you know what I mean? Just dive in it like. That's it.
He's in.
I'm in, yeah. I'm in. Last one. We're in, guys. How's it going? We're back on another one. Good old area shelter. Thought I'd come check it out, guys. Oh, ah.
I went down, come look at this down here.
I'll come back in a minute.
I went down here.
Oh, yeah.
What goes left, right.
Left, right, left, right.
Bang your feet so low.
Follow the arrows.
Oh, it is big, isn't it? Bloody hell. I found the secret entrance here. The spirits. The spirits of the unknown. The spirits of the unknown. The underground Manchester life, guys. It's like that sandstone mine we went a couple of months back. Let's see where they've gone. Oh yeah. It's crazy how all the old beds are here still. Look at that. As far as it goes. Looks like someone's keeping down there. I'll roll it down there in a minute. Got Adzey156 up here, guys. Oh my god. Let's go this way. See what's down here. If I was homeless, guys, I'd be in here out. Definitely. Little toilets, man. Oh, wow. The little buckets in. The old wooden rim on. That's cool. Comes up to here. Looks like someone's been staying here. That's sad. Wow. I don't think this was under here. Crazy. Which way was it now? I went this way. Don't get lost on my own. Not today. Graffiti. Oh, these are the stairs. I'll go up to the main level. Bloody hell. Happy days. That's mad, isn't it? Shall we go up? You can see where the rail used to be. Concreted in. Wow. Proper job. Crazy guys, this. Look at that. This torch is mint. Oh yeah, we've just been that way, haven't we? Oh, look at this old lantern here.
I thought it was a gas mask.
No, it's a lantern, that is. Old light. Old lamp. It's dead end.
Go down to the left now. Maybe one.
Oh yeah. Oh wow, yeah. It goes down here. Shall we go down here?
Yeah, well, it's down with Katiee right here.
I know I lost her added. Oh, she's here, Kate is. Kate's here. We were like, oh yeah, we'll wait for Kate.
Where do you come like round in a circle?
Round in a square, yeah.
Come round.
It goes down here, and I was like, oh, go have a look down here. Downhill. It's crazy how these beds are here, and they aren't that thick either. You know, like width. Smells like fags down here, proper bad. That would have been another toilets probably. Urinal and stuff. Turn that down. Yeah, but it goes uphill. And downhill. It goes down again. Bloody hell. Wonder what these used before, these little openings in the wall. Fires probably or something, heating. Or electric. The old light. Fitting. Wait for Adzey and then we'll go down there. It curves round as well. Oh ah. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, mate. He's here. Hello, mate. Goes down there and turns again. We'll go have a look at that, eh? That's a mad one, isn't it?
The torch getting so hot. Can you go down here?
No, she's gone back on herself. She says she'll go round where we've been.
It's going round, but we can. think someone knocked all I think he's been tipped over.
Yeah.
I think he's been tipped over on purpose to keep it flat.
Yeah, someone's knocked him over, hasn't he?
Think they are beds?
Yeah, definitely, yeah. It's an air raid shelter, isn't it? This would have been probably
What a crap bed to sleep on.
back in the day,
Yeah,
like.
they would have had like the mattress or
Oh
something.
yeah, this way it comes to the toilets.
Like springs on them.
Bloody hell. Nuts in it. I can remember going up that way, so we'll go this way. Looks like people have been lighting candles as well. They're like on every corner. I'll look down here. It's crazy how you can see where they've dug it out. They've scraped it. That's cool, lads. Just full on beds, on beds, on beds. Don't know if we've been down here, but we'll go have a look, eh? Someone's sticker there. Oh yeah, I can remember finding this here just. Yeah, so we've come back on ourselves now, guys. Happy days. Someone's sticker there, let's see whose that sticker is. Project Turbex. Where is it? Project Turbex. Yo, shout out. Bad ones. Loving this torch. Well, it was. The Marauder 2. And we've got the GoPro 9 again. This would lead into the toilets. Possibly, yeah. The back way, the toilet. Someone's got none in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, they're here. Yeah, we've done it all now, I think.
Yeah.
Some more toilets.
Because I knew that's because of that Kenzo sign, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
See there, and Kenzo.
Crazy one though, isn't it? Another wall, oh yeah. Someone's tried. Oh, there was a pipe. Can hear something open down here. Is this where we came out? Yeah, I think this is where we came in. I'm sure it is. Yeah, it is, definitely. Yeah. Happy days. We'll get some shots, guys, and I'll be back with you. Found one more place, guys. One more little bit before we go. It's where they backfilled it. Through the holes. It's been backfilled. That's crazy. Someone's been on the special brew. brewing that special goods. Just a little room, little shaft. This would have gone outside, I can imagine, back in the day. Oh yeah, defo. Someone's written the name in there. Shit. Cool, isn't it? Crazy, guys. Go find them toilets, I need a whiz. A whiz, Khalifa. That's the way out, isn't it? Okay, now. Round here on my own. It is quite a creepy place when you're walking around here on your own, guys. Aren't even joking. Don't know what's going to crop up on you. We'll be back, guys, when we're out of here. Hope you like this little video anyway. Something different, as always, on these great adventures. You know how we do. Let's get the flock out of here. Hello? Yeah. Right, guys, we've been in. Seen it here first. I think we'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and yeah, peace out, guys. Peace out.